Waiting for the machine to fire up, and there it is. Welcome home, Bitcoin Truth Seekers. It is Wednesday, January 15th, 2020. It's 10:59 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. So, Lambo fib retracement levels on the way up. Maybe there will be a retracement as we go up. We're up about 9% or almost 10% just in the last day or so. And well, a retracement would be natural on the way up with a pump like that. And I think there's some fib levels that we can look at that could make good buys on the way up as it retraces if it does. Of course, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only, but it's what I see, so I thought I would share it. Let's start here. Bitcoin green coming in at 8,789. Got a mix of green and the red in the market, but I can tell you many things that are green are really rocking, like Dash up 43%, ZEC up 24%. That is rocking. The bankers Demon coin down 0.02%, but still it's 23 cents. It was not even new that a day or two ago. So that is pretty rocking if you are part of the XRP army. If you're part of the BSV, I don't know, cult, well, whatever. It's down 2.5% where it belongs. All right, Dow Jones Industrial Average, it's at 29,000 plus. That is amazing. It was a big deal when it was above 28,000. Everyone's like, wow, it got a lot of press. This pumped 29,000. I'm not seeing a lot of fanfare about it, but I tell you what, I bet there will be quite a lot of news when this thing goes over 30,000, and that's where it's headed. S&P 500. Well, green candle today. It's rocking. It's on the way up. And the Russell 2000 index, you know, it's a little bit bumpier than the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index or the S&P, but hey, it's the little guys, and they're struggling, but they're doing well. So the American economy is rocking. This is insane. 3.55 billion tether into Bitcoin last 24 hours and 1.8 billion into Ethereum. Those are rocking numbers. All right. Real volume last 24 hours across the top 10 exchanges, and I gotta mention Masari.io. They are harsh, but they are fair. Their numbers are way more believable and usable than many out there. That's why I like them. So we're at 1,033,000. That is pretty darn rocking. I mean, it used to be not long ago that we were hoping to get over 300 million to have a good day as far as volume for Bitcoin. Now I'm thinking it looks like it's going to be over 1 billion volume is going to be a good day. So this is rocking. The volume is off the dang charts, and the tethering to Bitcoin at 3.5 billion is insane. So that's just amazing. That's great. Now, this is something that Crypto Love did note in a recent video. Have we been in a long upwards channel, or are we in a downwards channel? Which is it? Well, here's the thing. You know, around 17th of February, we're going to find out, because we've run out of, well, space, basically run out of time. The lines cross, and we're going to know which way we were headed at that point. With that said, though, it does look like we've been in a long upwards channel, more so than a downwards channel at this moment, because look at that. We have well broken out of the downwards channel. That's wonderful dang news. So let's see what happens next. And very important, the MACD on the weekly is about to turn positive. It's already trending towards positive, and it's about to cross positive. Now I know that many will say, dude, the MACD is ancient, it's lagging, it was, you know, created back when we used to use abacuses and we were trading chickens. I understand, I really do, but regardless, it's like a bulldozer. It is slow but powerful, and also it's a psychological indicator. A lot of people do watch it. So with that said, look at the last time it turned positive. You know, back in February. Look at this. Boom. Then of course, yes, it's a lagging indicator, but after it turned negative, what happened? Vroom. Now it's going to turn positive again. What do you think is going to happen? If we just look and from the last time it turned positive to when it turned negative, that was only 200%. All right. So what's the worst that can happen? I'm keeping an eye on this. You know, I myself am pulling some tether into Bitcoin before we make that cross, because I believe that we're going to see an uptrend. What if we see another 200%? That would be rocking. It's very powerful. Like I say, it's old. It's abacuses and carving on on clay and all this kind of. I get it. It's old, but regardless, you know what I'm saying. It's still super, super powerful. With that said, on the daily, long downtrend, this downwards channel, and we are bouncing off the top, it does appear. Maybe we won't make it through, but the MACD is positive on the daily. So positive daily MACD, but turn to a positive weekly MACD, that might just push us right through. This is a big one for me right here. The daily 200 moving average is at right about 9,100. If we get above this channel and we cross that daily 200 moving average and the weekly MACD is positive, oh my God, I'm just saying, be ready. I will not be waiting for a cool fib trace level at that point. Okay, that's just me. Not financial advice, of course, as always. With that said, now here's the Lambo levels. Here are the fib, Lambo, retrace levels that I kind of have noted. This is using a Fibonacci retrace from back 13th of January when the pump started to now. With that, so let me move this forward a little bit so it's a little easier to see. All right, so if we look here, we definitely have VPVR buy sell volume at the current level. So 8,700 definitely has a lot of support and resistance in the chart. We can see that highlighted here by this box. And of course, VPVR is showing it. So that's a good thing. It tends to be like a magnetism where you have a lot of VPVR volume and of course support resistance in the chart. That's where Bitcoin is going to be pulled to. Now with that said, if we do retrace, and I mean look at this. This is, I mean, how many percent was this? You know, we've gone up like 9.8, almost 10% in a very quick amount of time. So could we expect a retrace on the way up? Well, we are going sideways now. But we definitely have buy-sell volume. We have support and resistance in the chart. Is Bitcoin going to simply use this as another support and keep moving up? Very, 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 very well could. But with that said, if we do retrace down to the 382, that's 85.96. If we do retrace down to the .5, that's 85.02. If we do retrace down to the 618, that's 84.07. With that said, I have some buy orders here and here and here, right above those fib levels to catch a retrace on the way up. It never hurts to make that extra percent or two. But that's right, Bitcoin is going. If we continue this uptrend, who cares if you buy it where it's at right now or even down here at the 618 fib at 8,400. Regardless, I'm a little bit of a maniac, like to make all the money I possibly can, and so I've got slight buy levels here, putting some slight buys right here with some tether in right above each of these levels, some stop limits, and well, let's see how it goes. If we keep going, well, I've been hodling for a long time, I've been dollar cost averaging for a long time. I love seeing it pump, but I got tired of this downtrend and I pulled out some Bitcoin back in the tether at around 7,300, only a slight percent of my stash. But with that said, I was just tired of seeing this, so I thought I would, pull some out. And well, of course, what happened? It pumped. I did it for you guys, so I pulled out so you could make money. But regardless, I don't care. I'm either going to buy in at these levels, or if this becomes long time support, I'll just maybe buy back in there. Regardless, .382, .5, .6, take a look at those. Take a screenshot. Those are great possible fib levels if we retrace to get a little bit extra on the way up. With that said, been a member of Blockchain Education for 2 years plus. It's where I learned to make money, whether Bitcoin is bullish or bearish, whether it's altcoin season or not. Check out the description for this video. Click the affiliate link. It's a huge discount for you. I'd love to see you there. I'm Cowboy Craig in the chat. Hope to see you. Join the team. Come in for the big win. Let's make some money together in 2020. With that said, also, the sovereign individual, mastering the transition to the information age. If you see the crypto revolution the way I do, as a peaceful revolution, and if you see Bitcoin truly being something important in that, this is an amazing book to read. James Dale Davidson is an amazing historian, and he's also he's an old guy too, and he grasps the digital future amazingly well in this book. So if Bitcoin kind of means this to you, if you think it's something important to humanity's future, if you think something amazing is happening right now, then this book is essential. Please click the affiliate link in the description of the video so I can make a nickel if you buy it. With that said, obstacles can't stop you, weather can't stop you, heartbreak can't stop you, failure can't stop you, only you can stop you. Hey guys, this is your Lambo in 2020 if you want it. There's some fib levels that might help you get it a little faster if we retrace on the way up. Take care. I'll see you all tomorrow.